Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use a Duma with the new Thim Kit. To import a single course item template, you should enable the following features: Flexbox container, grid container, and nested elements. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard Elementor settings and find those features. Toggle the switch to active for each one. Don't forget to click on the Save Changes button. Now, let's begin the process of creating a single course item. Start by going to your dashboard and navigating to Thim Elementor. Click on Add New Template. Begin by selecting the type. Put the template name. Select Conditions. Under Select Include, choose all items to apply this layout to both quizzes and lessons. Next, select a layout. You have the option to choose from pre-made layouts or create your own new layout. Finally, click on Create Template. This is the editing interface. There are 4 sections that you can edit: headers, sidebar, content, footer. In addition to the widgets of Thim's single course item, you also have other widgets that you can add. To edit the style of components in Navigator, you just need to click on that component. X Edit button back to course. You can edit content. Select icon. HTML tag. Choose to hide the title or not. Tab Style. Title editing includes adjusting text color, hover color, and font style. After finishing editing, click Update. Click Icon Preview. Wait a minute. And this is the result. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. and see you in the next tutorial videos.